everybody. Today I will let you know about phonic sounds for certain letters as well as digraphs. Digraphs are two letters put together having one sound. A, A, A. You put your hands near your ear and say A, A, A. J, J, J. As though you are putting jam on bread. J, J, J. O, O, O. You put your hand in front of your mouth as if something has gone wrong. O, O, O. I, I. You salute like the sailors do. I. E and or. These are taught together. E or. E or. You pretend as though your hands are donkey's ears and you say E or. E or. E or. Thank you.